Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to replace a parking sensor on a BMW F10 5 Series chassis. Let's quickly jump straight into it. Firstly, you have to remove 3 8mm hex screws from the wheel arch on each side. Some people would want to raise the car, but it isn't necessary at all. You have enough space between the wheel and the bumper to fit a 1/4-inch ratchet with a deep socket in there. After you are done with them, you need to get to the ground. Again, some people would tell you that you have to raise the car, but it isn't necessary again. You should find 3 10mm hex screws in there, remove them. Then you will need to remove 5 plastic rivets from the diffuser. 2 of them is on the right side of the car and 3 of them is on the left. You can use the tool from the video, it's a lot more convenient, but a simple flathead screwdriver does the job as well. Now open the trunk/boot, depends where you are in the world. Remove the 2 plastic covers. Beneath you should find the last 2 bolts, one on each side. They are 8mm hex bolts. Remove them as well. Lastly, start from the sides and try to pry off the rear bumper slowly and gently, but at the same time firmly as well. Once you have the side tabs released, you can start to remove the rear bumper from the car. Be careful, if you have a parking sensors, they will be still attached to the bumper. Lower the bumper to the ground and then remove the parking sensors from it. And there you go, you got your bumper totally removed. Once you have the bumper off the car, disconnect the parking sensor you want to replace by pressing the little tab on the connector. The last thing is to remove the parking sensor from the bumper. Just simply pry on the sides of the little plastic bracket with a tiny flathead screwdriver and then pull out the parking sensor. And you are good to go. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one. Bye.